Hey, what's up guys? Mark here with Samsung members, and we are less than 24 hours until the Galaxy Unpacked event. I'm super excited, and I know my fellow Samsung members are too. And this year we have something special planned for you guys, so make sure that you guys tune in tomorrow 10 a.m. Eastern time. You can watch on Samsung.com, or you could probably catch it on YouTube live streaming. But you are not going to want to miss this event. It's going to be absolutely awesome. So part of the event for us Samsung members, Samsung has sent us the Galaxy Live kits. You might have seen it in my unboxing video if you follow my channel. But if you're not following my channel, please do. And also follow me over on Twitter at MarkC609. Please do that, and let me flip my camera around and let me show you something really cool that I have for tomorrow's event. Alright guys, now before I show you my Galaxy Live stage I have set up, I wanted to thank everybody at Samsung for making this possible, for bringing us Samsung members all together and being able to share this experience. Even if it has to be online, we are still very excited for tomorrow's event, and we all want to thank you guys at Samsung for making this possible. Now, here is my live kit stage. You might have seen my unboxing on my channel. If you didn't, please go subscribe for future content, and also follow me on Twitter at MarkC609. You will catch a lot of tweets from me, so please go over there and follow. Now let me show you guys exactly how I have my stage set up, and first we'll get into what you're probably going to be seeing a lot of tomorrow, and this is our emoji sticks that we got that will be showing during our live stream. And we also have our Samsung members light up stick, which is pretty cool. And we also have our Samsung members and our Galaxy sticks up there. And then I also have my nice little Galaxy Unpacked event right there. Let's just move that to the side. And let's see, I also have my buttons from last year from the Galaxy Creators Lounge. I got them on my stage. Now let's talk about hardware. Hardware wise, I am recording with my Galaxy S20 Ultra. Thanks to Samsung for sending me this from attending last year's Unpacked event. I also have my Lenovo Flip 14. That will be my choice for reviewing the event. I will be using Link to Windows and have my S20 Ultra set up on my tripod here with ring light, if I can find the button to turn it on. There we go. So like I said, I will have my S20 Ultra up here. It will be, front camera will be live streaming me. It will be connected with links to Windows with my laptop here, so that I will be able to view the event much more easier with a nice big screen. But my S20 Ultra will be filming me. Now for audio, I have my Rode Video Micro set up on my tripod, and I will have all the wires connected. As you can see, there's no wires here, because if you know about setting stuff up like this, the wires are going to be a mess, so I didn't want to have that like that right now. But my audio will be coming through my Rode Video Micro into my S20 Ultra, and then you will be seeing me live at the event and with the hundreds of millions of viewers. So thank you guys for watching. I want to again thank you Samsung for making this possible. I love you guys, and for everybody else, stay tuned tomorrow for the Samsung Unpacked event at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can watch it on Samsung.com. And as we end this, let's just take a look at the trailer. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.